Hello my super babies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing this amazing product with you babies. It's going to be amazing if it suits you like the way it suited me. It literally brightens the skin instantly. You get these food allergies or some allergy or the other where there are eruptions on the skin. It calms it down. It even tones the skin. It gets rid of blackheads and whiteheads instantly. Like there and then you can get rid of it. It's like too powerful. And I love it on my skin. I mean, my skin loves it. So if you're new to my channel and if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. If you haven't hit on that bell, please hit on that bell, that ghanta, so that you get notified as soon as I upload a video. And don't forget to hit a like if you like this video. Don't forget to leave your precious comments down below. It'll mean a lot to me. Please do it. If you've used this product already or you've used some other product from this brand, please let me know in the comments below. So today what I'm going to share with you is the Glam Aroma Pineapple Grapefruit Enzyme Skin Polisher. It's an AHA based cleanser plus mask plus scrub. So a couple of months back I had picked up few products from Glam Aroma and one product came complimentary. There was this offer going on. That's how I got this product complimentary. And this was the best from whatever I used. This is 30 grams and this came complimentary. Otherwise on their website it is priced at $575 and right now it's for $518. So if you feel this is going to really work on you and you feel it's going to help you big time, I wish you check out the website right now. Or check out some offers on the Instagram. That's how I came to know about it. And yeah, that's how I got this complimentary. Fatafat I picked it up. And it really worked for me. So this is that product which I will repurchase again and again, and that's why I want to share it with you. So this Pineapple Grapefruit Enzyme Skin Polisher is an AHA based cleanser plus mask plus scrub. Imagine. So AHA is alpha hydroxy acid. They are water soluble acids made from sugary fruits. They're excellent to get rid of like the upper layer wherein there's blackheads, whiteheads, dead skin. AHA is best for dry skin and very good to lighten acne marks, pigmentation, discoloration or any marks on the skin. The most common AHA in cosmetic products are glycolic acid, lactic acid, citric acid, hydroxycaprylic acid and hydroxycapric acid. Now if you go to see the ingredients on this, there is pumpkin enzyme, pineapple enzyme, papaya enzyme, grapefruit peel, organic oats, organic brown rice, avocado extract, milk extract, aloe vera extract, kaolin clay and argan oil. So this 3-in-1 enzyme based polish is an innovative product which can be used 3 ways to cleanse while exfoliating the skin gently. It is excellent to remove blackheads, whiteheads, ingrowth immediately, like instant value result. You can very gently squeeze it and you can get the blackheads, whiteheads, ingrowth out very easily while you take bath. Like when the warm water is on your body, squeeze it out gently. After you wash off this, it so easily comes out. You don't have to take much of trouble. Just gentle push, poop, and it comes out. So there are 3 different ways you can use this. I will let you know how I use it. If you want to know the other ways, please check the link in the description box. You can read everything about it. Otherwise this video is going to go very long, so I want to finish it fatafat. As for the benefits, it deep cleanses the skin, yes, thoroughly. Exfoliates the skin superbly. Helps get rid of whiteheads and prevents blackheads. Super true. Improves bumpy skin texture. Yes, if you get these eruptions and allergies on the face, it literally calms it down. Brightens and lightens the skin. Yes, it even tones the skin quite fast. Nourishes the skin and makes it supple. No, it does not make my skin supple. In fact, it dries out my skin a little bit. An excellent skin polishing recipe. Yeah. On my face, I apply once a week or maximum twice a week. I do not exceed that. On my body, especially my underarms, my neck, I apply it every alternate day. I take very little of it and dilute it with water and apply it on my skin. On my face, I don't exceed it more than a minute. I keep it exactly for a minute and I wash it off. I even use it as a scrub, so I just scrub into my face and my skin and wash it off. That also I do. Maybe like for a minute I scrub and I wash it off. And on my underarms and body, I keep it for about 5 minutes and I wash it off. And I see a good difference, especially with my pigmented underarms. I see a nice difference, guys. It's working amazingly on my pigmented skin. If you need one product which exfoliates the skin thoroughly, reducing blackheads and whiteheads, it literally removes it on the spot too if you focus on it and try to squeeze it out after you wash it off. It even brightens and lightens the skin. It calms the skin down if it's going to erupt. It even calms upcoming pimples. So it's an excellent product and I would highly recommend it because it's really good. It smells like Pickwick biscuit. Yeah, that's what I wanted to tell you. My mom hates the smell. She hates the aroma. I mean, like, I like it, it's fine. Like Pickwick biscuit. Smells nice. I've used their vitamin C cleanser, which is just about okay, and I use another scrub too, but I need to use that more so that I can like give you good feedback later on. But the vitamin C cleanser is just about okay. It brightens the skin but very little Wali effect, but you can't expect much from a cleanser also. I wouldn't highly recommend it, but the vitamin C cleanser also is fine. But this is what I would highly recommend, especially for your face. If you're prone to blackheads and whiteheads, this literally helps to prevent it, like upcoming wali blackheads, whiteheads, and it gets rid of whatever is already there. Especially to lighten underarms, it's amazing. Neck, inner thighs, I apply it all over my body, and I do not apply soap after this. You don't need it because there's no stink also after this. Like your body gets cleansed amazingly, squeaky clean. It cleanses the skin amazingly. Like you can feel like squeaky wali sound जो आती है ना, वो आवाज आती है. But I do not use it much on my face because it makes my skin dry. That's the only drawback about this, because my skin is already dry, so it makes my skin more dry if I use it too much. So I use it less only. That is more than enough. So yeah, that's all. I'll catch you up later with another product very soon. The next product which I'm going to share with you, babies, now literally lightens pigmentation within 5 days and brightens the skin superbly. It's another product which I've already shared in my vlogs. If you haven't been watching my vlogs, please check out my vlogs. I'll put the link in the description box. I wish you'd subscribe to my other channel too, because I share my skincare out there before I start sharing yours, so you can check that too. So that product literally lightens pigmentation within 5 days. I'll review that very soon. So I hope this chota sa review helps you in some way or the other. Bye.